Creamy spinach in under 30 minutes. No complicated steps, just two parts, the greens and the sauce. Let me show you how. I picked up about 1 kilogram of spinach at the market earlier. It's crisp, bright, and just begging to be turned into a simple, delicious meal. First step is to rinse it thoroughly under cold water to remove any potential grit. Shake off the excess water, then remove the stems from all the leaves. It might feel tedious, but it's worth it to have a silky texture. Next up, blanching. Bring a pot of salted water to a boil. Add the spinach leaves and blanch for 3 to 4 minutes to soften the leaves. Then, drain and immediately plunge them into ice water. This stops the cooking and locks in that bright green color. Once cooled, squeeze the spinach dry. Excess water will dilute the sauce later. Time to chop the leaves. I find the cleaver works best for this, but any sharp knife will do. Take your time chopping. Smaller pieces mean creamier bites. Once you are done, set the spinach aside while we move to the last component. Take 3 or 4 garlic cloves. Cut the ends and smack them with the flat side of your knife to loosen the skin, making it easier to peel them. Crush the cloves, then give them a rough chop. No need for perfection here, we just want that garlicky base. If you'd rather skip the chopping, a garlic press works great. At the stove, heat up a pan and melt 2 tablespoons of butter. Add the garlic and sauté for 30 seconds to release the fragrance. Keep the heat to medium-low to avoid burning the garlic. Next, stir in 2 tablespoons of flour to form a roux and cook for 1 minute to remove the raw taste and help thicken the sauce evenly. Then slowly pour in 400 ml of milk, stirring constantly to avoid lumps. Let it simmer until thickened. Add the chopped spinach to the sauce and mix until fully coated. Finish with 1 tablespoon of white vinegar or lemon juice. It might sound odd, but trust me, the acidity of the vinegar cuts through the richness of the dairy and brightens up the dish. Finally, season with salt to taste and give one last stir. Optional but delicious. Fry 2 eggs, sunny side up. Serve them over the spinach for a simple hearty meal. The runny yolk pairs perfectly with the creamy spinach. And that's it, creamy spinach in under 30 minutes. Perfect as a side, with eggs for breakfast, or paired with crispy fries for a savory and satisfying combination. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helped you learn something new, or inspired you to give this recipe a try. And if you do, let me know how yours turns out. If you enjoyed this recipe, I truly appreciate a like, subscribe, and turning on notifications so you never miss a new video. If you have any questions or ideas, let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. Want more? Check out these recipes here and here. I think you'll love them. See you next time. Bye.